First off, I'm sorry. I have some problem when I make the files in my computer at home, so it might be broken like my tab this morning. So I'm sorry. My topic today is not the internet, but it's about the websites we visit. What is a website? How does it work? And why is it important? So first, what is a website? That's a website. I guess everyone visits this one every day, I guess. And that's the same website. So a website is made of a few things. First, it's HTML, which is a kind of a backbone language, which kind of form a skeleton for the website. On top of that, you have kind of the brain of the website, which is PHP, which does kind of the thinking. And you have, after that, you have the image and the CSS, which is the graphics of the website. Now, how does it work? Anyone has any idea how a website works? What happens when you click the address? No?
I have no idea.
When you try to reach an address, it starts a kind of a game of question and answers with the client and the server. The client is your web browser. So for the case of that computer, it's Internet Explorer, and he's going to ask the web server for files, for instance. The server is where all the data is stored. So when you try to reach a website, that happens. So your browser asks the server for what he wants, and the server answers with that mostly contacts. Yes, you. And lastly, why it's important. As I've said with my previous presentation, the internet is an awesome place. It's growing fast. And if you are a business, you have to be on the internet. Amazon, for example, is one of the fastest growing companies on the internet, and it makes a lot of money. The president of Amazon is one of the richest person in the world, I think, in the top 100. So that's important. If you don't own Amazon, you still have the right to be on the internet. For instance, if you have a business, it's one of the first place where your clients might go if they look for something. For instance, they will type on Google for medication, and if your website appears first, you will most likely get some new clients like that. But if you are a party, if you are if you are not a professional, like an artist or an independent developer, whatever, you can still use a website either as a kind of portfolio, which is a place where you will put what you make. If you are an artist, it would be paintings, musics, drawings, that kind of things. If you are a developer, it could be softwares you made, video games, that kind of things. And if you're whatever. You can use as well a QR code to access a website easily, for instance on a business card. And that's why it's important. So we've seen what is a website, how it works, and why it's important. And I have to apologize if anyone kind of knows anything about that, because I had to simplify. So if anyone wants to talk about that, we can. Here's my desk. Thank you.